Aquarius, hi. Welcome to my channel AstroTarot with Kyraa. This is your reading for June 16th till the 22nd. I'll be looking at your recent past, current energies, and immediate future. And I'll close it off with a couple of cards from the universe. These are general readings, so they may not resonate for all of you. If they do, you can comment down this video below. And if you want a personal reading with me, you can connect with me on Instagram and WhatsApp. You can check out the link for that on the description or bio of this channel. Let's see, Aquarius, what do we have for you? Let's see, Aquarius, what is there for you for this week? कुंभ राशि वालों के लिए क्या मैसेजेस देना चाहते हैं कार्ड्स? आइए देखते हैं. Okay, let's see that. Four of Wands, the Temperance, Nine of Swords, Strength, and the World. Bottom of the deck is the High Priestess. Okay, I see you celebrating something, definitely. कोई चीज़ का सेलिब्रेशन करते हो आप मुझे नज़र आ रहा है Aquarius, and I see you having very balanced emotions right now. You're trying to balance your emotions, but somewhere deep down you're not very happy. You are doing something that will give you happiness, that will give you celebration time, or that will give you a good family atmosphere for a while. हो सकता है आप अभी अपनी फैमिली से मिलने के लिए भी गए हों कुछ लोग. Okay, sorry for that. So I can see that some of you are having good time with your family, spending good time with your family. But still deep down you're very much upset or thinking or overstressing or overthinking. काफ़ी करेज भी रखना पड़ रहा है आपको, भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्ट्रेंथ भी रखना पड़ रहा है टू हैंडल दिस सिचुएशन. You are also very much aligned with your energies, very much attached with your and very much connected with your intuition. And I also see you either traveling, maybe some of you are traveling, or some of you are ending a cycle in your life. So you somewhere know कि आपका इंट्यूशन आपसे कह रहा है that आप अभी अपनी लाइफ में एक मेजर साइकिल क्लोज कर रहे हैं, and you need to get yourself connected with your intuition for that. Okay, let's clarify Four of Wands here first for Aquarius. चलिए clarify करते हैं Four of Wands को हम. Okay, the Magician, Two of Pentacles, and Four of Cups. Bottom of the deck is Ace of Swords. So I see you definitely manifesting your dream life, but it's not that easy, and you know it. So I see you working hard and managing your life, managing your routine, managing your work and everything, and still manifesting and being very positive regarding your future and whatever aspirations you are having currently for your life in general. थोड़ा सा एक मुझे ये भी नज़र आ रहा है that you are struggling and you are working hard to do it, but you are not looking at the signs from the universe that you are getting. There is a particular sign or a signal that you are getting from the universe on which you are not able to focus. Okay, let's see and let's clarify Nine of Swords here. Okay, let's clarify Nine of Swords for Aquarius. All right. The Lovers, the Wheel of Fortune, and Ten of Cups. Bottom of the deck is again the High Priestess. It's very much clear that you are craving for happy married life or a happy couple or a happy family. Oh my God. So as you all could see, it's live happening वीडियो में अभी जब मैं आप लोगों की रीडिंग कर रही थी एक्वेरियस के किस तरह से फ्लेम्स की वजह से कांच टूटा, विच मीन्स आज भी देखिए फुल मून भी है एंड एनर्जीज बहुत ज़्यादा हाइटेंड थी एंड देर इज़ डेफिनेटली अ ब्लॉकेज, ठीक है, जो कि अभी निकला है। ओके, कोई बात नहीं, होता रहता है ये सब। तो वो अभी जैसे कूल डाउन हो जाएगा आई विल रिमूव इट, बट आई डोंट वांट टू एंड द, और आई डोंट वांट टू वेट फॉर द, यू नो, दैट थिंग। कोई बात नहीं, थोड़ा सा उसे अवॉइड करिएगा प्लीज़। सो डेफिनेटली देर इज़ अ वेरी हैवी बर्डन ऑन यू, जो कि आपको बहुत ज़्यादा दुखी कर रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस कर रहा है। यू आर वेरी मच स्ट्रेस्ड एंड यू नीड हेल्प एक्वेरियस। You need love and care from your family, from your loved ones, which you are not getting, and that is really making you feel very very isolated, very very cold, and that is really turning you into a very different person, and you are not sure, you know, that what will happen. You're very much scared also for the future. Okay, let's clarify strength here. We really need to clarify that for Aquarius. Seven of Swords, Page of Cups, and Two of Swords. So definitely, back bottom of the deck is Three of Cups. Um, so maybe someone is coming towards you, showing you that they are interested in you, but they are actually not very honest. Or it could be a person who is coming through to you through your friend, or it could be a person that you know from a long time. But you are trying to control yourself. You are trying to have some patience and not react to it currently. So there, the energies that are there below beneath this situation is not very promising for now. It could be good for surface level, but not very good. So I will not suggest you to go ahead with it very easily. You should connect with your intuition before taking any decision. All right. Let's clarify the world also. I want to clarify the world for you. I really need to clarify a lot of cards this week. And it's fine. It's fine. We can do that sometimes whenever it's needed. No problem. Okay. Let's clarify the world. The Fool. All right. The Sun. Okay. And the Hanged Man. Bottom of the deck is the Tower. All right. So it's very funny to say this, but आप अपने लाइफ में एक साइकिल को क्लोज तो करना चाहते हैं एंड यू आर रेडी टू एंटर द न्यू बिगनिंग, और यू आर रेडी टू टेक द लीप ऑफ फेथ, बट यू डोंट नो हाउ, यू डोंट नो हाउ टू डू इट। आप बहुत ज़्यादा फंसे हुए फील कर रहे हैं, यू आर नॉट एबल टू कम आउट ऑफ इट कम्प्लीटली फ्रॉम योर एंडिंग्स, फ्रॉम योर पास्ट साइकिल, एंड बैक टू बैक कुछ ना कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हो रही हैं दैट यू आर ओनली रिपीटिंग इन योर लाइफ द पैटर्न्स, जिसकी वजह से आप एक न्यू न्यू बिगनिंग है उस नई शुरुआत को नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, in spite of having good energies and good manifestations and good manifesting energies also, है ना? So you are trying to connect with your intuition, but you're still not connected with it. So the advice for you is that you should try to be connected with your energies. Let's see what are the messages for you from the unicorns. What are the messages that universe wants to give to you, Aquarius, with the help of unicorns इस हफ्ते के लिए? सो एज आई वॉज टेलिंग यू ऑल अबाउट कि मैं नेक्स्ट मंथ से आप लोगों के लिए जोडियाक्स के लिए अलग से कुछ वीडियो, अलग पैटर्न में वीडियोस पोस्ट करने वाली हूँ, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट मैं और भी कुछ वीडियोस को पोस्ट करने वाली हूँ विद अ न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट, एंड आई वुड रियली लाइक यू all to comment on those videos and tell me that if you are enjoying those videos or not, so that you know I can get a feedback that is there anything else that I can do for you all. Let's see. The silence. Be still, for all the answers lie in the silence. Okay, let's see. Why do we have silence here? All right, then. The silence means when you find time and space to be still and quiet, your unicorns can communicate with you. They suggest you give yourself that opportunity today and create some unicorn time. Affirmation for you is I am finding time to be still and quiet today. सो बेसिकली आपको थोड़ा साइलेंस में रहने की ज़रूरत है, थोड़ा साइलेंटली अपनी लाइफ में अपने थॉट्स को, अपनी फीलिंग्स को ऑब्जर्व करने की ज़रूरत है। थोड़े ऐसी जगह जाने की ज़रूरत है जहाँ पे पानी हो, नेचर हो, ठीक है, बटरफ्लाइज हो, थोड़े इंसेक्ट्स हों अलग अलग टाइप के, एंड जहाँ पर मौसम अच्छा हो, मे बी थोड़ा क्लाउडी वेदर हो। यू कैन सिट नियर बाय अ पॉन्ड ऑल्सो इफ़ यू वांट, एंड आप वहाँ पर जाएंगे ना तो फिर पानी आपको काफ़ी हेल्प करेगा। ओशन एंड पॉन्ड, ये सब आपको काफ़ी हेल्प करेगा टू गेट द आंसर्स इन दैट साइलेंस। सो शहर के शोर में नहीं, बट एक साइलेंट जगह में नेचर से कनेक्ट करके आपको डेफिनेटली अपने लाइफ के प्रॉब्लम्स के आंसर्स मिल सकते हैं, एंड इस स्टकनेस से भी निकलने का आपको आंसर मिलेगा। सो वेरी हैवी रीडिंग फॉर एक्वेरियस, आई थिंक यू रियली नीड टू टेक दिस सजेशन, एंड सभी एक्वेरियस को आई थिंक ये सुनने की ज़रूरत है इस वीडियो में, जो कुछ भी मैंने बताया है। That was all for reading Aquarius, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and God bless.